So let's unbox and see what's inside. Seems to be nuts inside here, then brackets, another set of brackets, a longer set of brackets, and these are the stays. Here, adventure touring, proudly made in India from Carbon Racing. So let's unbox everything and see what else we have inside. So what are these brackets? Okay, so these are the long base brackets. If you go to the website, you should be able to see, you should able to download the instructions manual. Let's put all the dots here. So these are second brackets. Second set of brackets and third set of brackets are here. So three sets of brackets and nuts and bolts. Let me open that too. Okay. Eight nylon visors, then four bolts of one size, another four bolts of another size. Three, four. So these are 10 bolts which needs to be probably fitted here inside. Yeah. Okay, so I've downloaded the instructions manual from the website and let me see what all we've got. So inside the package it says, first, these are the nylon stay parts. Yes, they're there. Two brackets, large brackets for the base, left and right. Okay. Then two top mounting brackets. So these are the top mounting brackets. Two, again left and right. Then two short base brackets. So these are those. M8 aluminum steel bolt, 10 numbers. So these are those. Okay, then we have 6 nylon spacers. So these are the nylon spacers, and M8 4 bolts and M6 4 bolts, and I do see a couple of visors here. So that's about it. So now let's start the fitting. So let's pick up one. Okay, first thing to install would be the top bracket. So this is the top bracket. You have to ensure that this part is on the inside, and as per the instructions, top mounting bracket will go with a, okay, so we have to use the third and the fifth hole for installing the bracket, the top mount bracket. Top mount bracket would be used or would be installed using these bolts. So let's see. Oh, by the way, I'll need my toolbox. Thank you. So that's the third and the fifth. So we have some adjustments here, and hence I would not be making it completely tight right now until we do not fit it on the bike. So that's it. And now to put the third one. Okay. Fifth and seventh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 and 7. Okay. So this is how it will look once it's done completely. That's the top, that's the long base, and that's the short base. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, so we are done here with the fitting of all the brackets. Now you can see these are both exact replicas of each other, and yeah, now it's time to go and fit onto the bike. So now it's time to install the saddle stay onto the bike, and let's go about installing it. That's the first step would be to remove the bracket from here, the handrest. Because this is where the top bracket will go, and we'll need the longer bolts which have been provided here. This Pannier mount gets 3 locations. One is here, this is one, this is the second, and the guard here. So that's one location, that's the second location. Okay, so finally this is done, and you can see how beautiful it's looking here, flush and properly fitted. So like I said, it has 3 mounting points, one here under the grab handle, one here, and the other mount is here. So all 3 mounts, and let's do a walk around of the bike. Okay, with the saddle stay. Yep. So these are really sturdy and very good mounts, and with a lot of holes, so that I can use my bungee cords to tie anything at the back, or obviously the saddle stay. So that's about it, and thank you for watching.